got a new camera today, the GoPro 13 Black, and we got a new spruce tree, which is probably a one picker. Max is ready to set the pick for picking, and then we accidentally brought the little chipper, but we'll make do. There's a guy in that tree, but you cannot tell because it's so thick. 62 feet of stick would translate to 72. We'll call that 69 degrees. 11,300. We'll say 11 for 67 degrees. So yeah, I'd say we got it.
One and
I have
done.
the camera. How'd you like it?
One and done, just like that, dude.
You don't have any Krispies down there, do you?
No, it wasn't bad. I picked the one spot that had a nice hole.
Yeah, perfect. The slings are hooked like slings because of the way that they are.
Oh yeah, good.
Because the way they are.
Yeah. All right, we got the slings all hooked up here. They both look good, choked up underneath that branch. Them puppies aren't going nowhere. Now we'll just process it and make it go through the chipper.
It's so cool, these cones are like right on the end of the twig. It's like somebody glue gunned them on there.
It's the actual end of the branch.
Yeah, right on the very terminal is your cone. I'll bet you some of these holiday wreath type guys would love a piece of this tree. Shovel cam.
Oh, shovel cam? Okay, let me see it.
Right in there.
Into the bucket, boy. footage. We'll probably just end the video with this. We'll just do it until the last scoop goes up and then just fade it out. Like 20 minutes of shoveling. What do you think, August?
That's good content.
Look at the view. What do you think, August?
Brake cam.
Why do you have a bucket cam?
And the cam.
Curb cam, everything up to the curb for you.
Bucket cam. Dump cam.
Lower cam. Trick is to not throttle too much and put it all on the top of the curb or blow it past. We want to line this all up right on the curb for one nice shovel swoop.
We don't need no blower advice.
But that's just because you're still learning, August.
So how'd you like the GoPro 13? GoPro 13 Black. How you doing? I'm doing okay. I'm a little under the weather, but I have to keep working. My new baby is doing good. Looking forward to Thanksgiving. Almost have the Ford out of the shop. The Mad Max Franken-truck Ford that it's going to be the perfect Thanksgiving truck because it's totally pumpkin orange. Very soon now, the members of my channel that pay a monthly subscription, I'm going to be uploading a video that has 5-minute videos that each of them, the ones who participated, made, and I'm going to get the audience opinion on their videos and give away some prizes to them, so watch for that soon. It's a long time overdue and those guys have been very patient with me. Shout out to Jerry and Dorinda and Carl Kinsella. It's fun hanging out with you guys and talking to you guys. I should be able to see a lot of you soon in Maryland at the big expo. We're gonna have a booth there and selling monkey beaver harnesses, so watch for us there. We've got a big redwood tree removal coming up, starting that tomorrow. It's kind of an intimidating tree because it's just so massive and it's in such a tight spot. There's probably going to be some haters. It's a big triple trunker. It's raising the lady's house. There'll be people that say it's very old and how disrespectful we are, but it's not. They grow very fast. And yeah, that's next. We'll be starting that tomorrow. Probably make a video of it sometime soon. I'll catch you on the next one.